I'm Reginald here at J-Tech. We have a customer come in with a Aveo, Chevy Aveo, complaining about a crank no start, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on with it. We're gonna use the scan tool to hook up to the car to troubleshoot codes and see what's going on. Okay, we got the scan tool hooked up to the Aveo, and we're gonna run active scan tests on it to see what's going on. Get a little light down. Need some light. And while the system running, we're gonna try to listen out for the fuel pump and see if anything else might not be working. So, okay, detecting 80%. So far, it said the scan tool said the system hasn't detected anything, but we know the Aveo has a no crank, no start problem to it. So, okay. Well, that could be the problem. So we're gonna see what's happening. Uh-oh. Doesn't seem on start. So we're gonna go back out here on the hood and check this out, see what's going on. Maybe a little starter fluid, see what's going on with it. Tells you you'll get in there and see what's. When I tell you to,
hold on.
Go ahead and crank it. Try it again. Okay. Well, you can see it will start, but so that lets us know we have spark, and we're gonna try to hunt down the problem about that and see what's going on with that.